Hey guys, how's it going? How to delete WhatsApp group permanently. Go ahead and open up your WhatsApp and then highlight the groups that you are in, right? Make sure to know if you are the moderator or not. If you are the moderator, you can leave the group and then clear the chat, okay? But if you want to delete the group chat, or excuse me, if you want to delete the WhatsApp group permanently, and you are a member of that group, just go ahead and click this group, for example, that I'm member, that I'm members in, like I am a member there. So I'm gonna click the name of the group at the top, scroll a little bit down, and then what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just go ahead and hit exit group, right? Only group admins will be notified that you left that group. And then what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna clear chat, or even better, I could just go back and then hold, and then go ahead and click the, instead of exit, you're gonna be able to see delete chat like a normal chat, and then you're gonna be able to delete that group permanently and leave it. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Do not forget to like and subscribe. Thank you. See you in the next time.